How to use Streamlabs on Android. Now, we do have a simple step-by-step method over here that should help you if you're just a beginner. Now, the first thing, of course, is to pretty much go to your Play Store and download Streamlabs. It should be easily accessed if you just search for Streamlabs. It should look something like this. Go ahead and download it and open the app. There you can launch the app and sign in using a Streamlabs ID. If you don't have one, you can just go ahead and create one, or you can log in with a platform from below. There's Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, that thing. I'm not really sure what that is, but you can go ahead and choose whichever platform you want to log in with. So the first thing you're gonna get when you log in is to get your access. You're gonna have to allow it, of course, so you'll be able to stream more efficiently. So I'll just allow it right here. It's gonna be some information on how the app works when you download and launch it. It's gonna be steps, basically the basics on what you can do to screen share, to share your game, camera for parallel connection. Over here, you can go ahead and choose either IRL streaming, camera, which streams your phone, front near camera, or a mobile screen streaming, which streams your phone screen, which is ideal for mobile games, of course. There's also a go live option when you go ahead and try choosing stream type, but you should be followed by a basic guide that should help you if you've just started. Over here, we have potential things that could help you eventually. You can go ahead and create your first scene apparently. You can customize the layout of your stream for different orientations and activities, plus exciting engagement driving widgets. So the first thing you're going to be able to do is to create your scene and how your stream will look like. We have different layouts over here. You can just go ahead and choose whichever you want because there are pre-mades, but you can create a custom one as well. Then you can just go ahead and put a name on that if you want to go ahead and switch between layouts. So I'm just going to choose this random one over here and create a new portrait screen after naming it day. So right now you should be able to see your current main layout. As you can see, you can flip camera, you can go ahead and mute, and you can directly go live when you already have your layout. You can see your chats over here when you go start, and you already have your own account. Pretty much those are the basics when you're pretty much just starting with Streamlabs and you're mobile. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.